Welcome back to our Pitman Shorthand Motivation Series. In today's lesson, I want to warn you about something very important: schools that guarantee jobs to their students. You may see advertisements saying, "Join our shorthand school and we guarantee you a job." It sounds attractive, but the truth is, such promises are usually false. Yes, many good schools do help their students by guiding them, recommending them, or connecting them with employers. But no genuine school can guarantee a position at a certain time. Why? Because jobs are offered by outside companies and offices, not by the school itself. The final decision always belongs to the employer. If you think about it for just a moment, you'll see how illogical such offers are. These false guarantees are mostly designed to trick young people who do not stop and think. Many of the guarantee schools are what we call mushroom schools. They grow quickly, take students' money, cannot fulfill their promises, and then disappear. They also tend to attract students who are not serious about the work, so their overall results are poor. It is far safer to attend a school with a long and solid reputation, even if it does not promise you a position. In the long run, your skill, your practice, and your attitude will secure you a good job, not a false guarantee.